I'm just about to make a quick salad, very easy with a few leftovers. Had a few, I'm gonna say probably half of a head of lettuce left and just washed it up. So here we are. I've got washed lettuce. This is actually local grown lettuce. I'm gonna use 2 apples. I've washed them and I'm going to cut them, dice them, and half an onion. We'll use half an onion, and I've got some raisins, okay? It's actually very tasty. We'll need olive oil and salt and pepper and balsamic vinegar. Those are all the ingredients you'll need to make the salad. Okay, here we go. We've got a few ingredients. We've got the local grown lettuce. It's the last that I had on the head of lettuce. It's been washed, and I took off all the little spots and washed and dried. We've got 1 onion, 2 apples. You can use Granny Smith if you like. Gala, I believe these are smaller versions of the Gala apples. We've got raisins, some lemon juice, salt and pepper, which I have here, just regular salt and pepper, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and place our lettuce that's been completely cleaned, washed, dried, and we're just going to set it in our bowl here. That's the first thing that I like to do. I like to cut them in bite size, so it's easy when you're digging into your salad bowl with your fork, bite size. I usually grab in a second bowl and I will cut up my apples. I leave the skins on. What you want to do here is just cut them in cubes. I like the salad. My husband likes it too. And you know what? We were out today and we had I guess you can say, a hearty lunch. And so we're not really that hungry. So this is just perfect for a light dinner. It's a nice salad. You can put chunks of cheese if you want. I don't, but you can. All right. Put them in the bowl. Once you've got the apples all chopped up, you just don't want to leave them out in the air too long, and that's where the lemon juice comes in. One ingredient that I don't have that I like adding into the salad is the walnuts, toasted walnuts, or if you have, I say pecans, some will say pecans. Apples are all cut, okay? Just squirt, say, a teaspoon of lemon juice in there. What it's doing is just coating it to prevent it from browning. Okay, we're gonna grab our onion. We're gonna only use half an onion. So I'm gonna say that's probably a quarter of an onion, all right? Next, you want to throw in about, I'm gonna say, a quarter cup of raisins, dried raisins. All right, this is ready to be placed into the salad bowl. And last thing to do now is the dressing. Very simple. Olive oil, about a quarter cup. Balsamic vinegar, that looks about 5 tablespoons. As far as the salt goes, it's really to taste, but half a teaspoon. Some pepper, ground pepper, about half a teaspoon. We just kind of whisk everything together so it's almost like a creamy consistency. Okay, it does get creamy. Now before you dress it over the salad, you want to make sure you test it. Just dip your finger in there and just see if you've got enough salt and pepper. And you know, sometimes you might find it a little too bitter, or maybe too much balsamic vinegar, and you can dilute it a little bit with extra olive oil in there. But you just kind of eyeball it. I usually eyeball it. Anyway, you see how it's getting really thick? Now, if you were to use a hand mixer, you'd probably get thicker, but I don't. I just use a whisk, a hand whisk. That's it. Okay, that's, to me, Delicioso. Little sprinkle of salt. All you gotta do is drizzle it over the salad. Just a little bit at first while it's in the bowl. Okay. Just take your spoon, your salad utensil, and just give it a stir. Now I'm going to plate it, and you'll see the end result, okay? Okay, so here's the final plating. I've got 2 slices of delicious, it's called potato bread, believe it or not. Here's a salad. Now it's been coated lightly with the dressing when it was in the large bowl. And now that it's on a serving plate, all you gotta do is just grab some more of the delicious balsamic vinegar dressing and drizzle. I like a lot on my salad, so everybody's different. Okay. Nice light dinner. And there you have it. As they say in Madeira, in Portuguese, bon appetito, and I hope you enjoy the salad as much as I do. Enjoy it, and until next time, take care.